Hi everyone, meteorologist Rusty Dawkins looking at the weekend and beyond. Now we've got a very mild and very quiet weekend, and then some interesting things going to be happening as we head towards the middle of next week. So let's get right to it. Afternoon temperatures for Saturday, February 24th, very warm. I mean, look at all of this warm air, 81 in Phoenix, 68 in San Francisco. I mean, I'm just going to circle the whole thing. It is going to be way warm, and in fact, just about everybody, except on the fringes here, Indianapolis, New York, Tampa, and Seattle, everybody else warmer than average, and some 10 to 20 to almost 30 degrees above average. Sunday, kind of the same thing. I mean, you've got 60s, 70s, and 80s as far as Billings, Montana, 62 in February. Goodness sakes. We're going to see this way above average for Sunday. I mean, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 degrees above average for the high on Sunday. Just incredible. 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Again, 85 in San Antonio for Monday. This is very almost late spring temperatures. So again, 32 degrees warmer than average for Lincoln on Monday. That's incredible. Just incredible to see those warm temperatures. 6 to 10 day. This is February 28th through the first few days of March. Just about the entire eastern 2/3 of the U.S. Expected to be above normal, and even beyond that, even into after the first week of March, still at least the eastern half of the state going to be above normal. Precipitation, decent chance, 6 to 10 days out, and 8 to 14. Everybody has above normal chances for precipitation. I haven't seen that in quite some time, so that's all right. Geopotential height. Now we're going to get into the potential for strong to severe storms Tuesday into Wednesday, and part of the reason is this. See this big bend right here? This is going to drag down with it a potential for some strong storms. Now this is Tuesday 10 p.m. kind of where it starts to go up right here. This whole area has a chance of seeing some strong storms. That's going to give some added lift to the chance for some strong storms, and then it kind of moves off to the east here as we get into Wednesday afternoon, and then by Wednesday night this pushes off to the east. So that's just kind of phase one. Phase two, the severe weather threat. What is this? What does it look like? Well, we're a long ways out, and there's already from the Storm Prediction Center this big circled area from Chicago, southwest through St. Louis, into the north central, northern half of Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. This is for Tuesday. Then for Wednesday, it shifts to the east a little bit. This will be the same storm system, just moving from west to east. And so this includes a good portion of Kentucky, Tennessee, and then parts of the deep south. So we do have chances for severe weather Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's the instability. This is where the better chance for storms to happen. This is Tuesday morning. Here we go into Tuesday afternoon. Look at this swath right here. This is a good area of instability where storms can and probably will form, especially when you take in that geopotential height, that bend, and then you've got the instability right here. Good chance for those two factors alone to kick up some storms, and then it all moves to the south and east as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Energy Helicity Index, the EHI, look how high that is. Got spots right here Tuesday evening, those orangish colors right there. That's a pretty high factor of the EHI, so a decent chance for storms to form. I mean, that's 3 out of 3 factors that say pretty good chance for some strong to severe storms to form in that area. So then that all moves off to the east as we get into Wednesday morning. So this area right here, as that moves east, that area has a chance for seeing some strong to severe storms. So let's look at the model. We're a long way out, so we have to rely on long-range models, the GFS being one of them. This has snow potential right here, all the way through from the Rockies up to Minnesota, including Nebraska, South Dakota, and Iowa. Then as we get into Tuesday, this is 11 p.m., start to see that chance for precipitation right there. This is where those storms would form, and then on the colder side, that's where there's some snow. And then as we head into Wednesday morning, again, here's that chance for those strong storms. and then it all moves to the south and east as Wednesday progresses, Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours, and then Thursday morning it's all out of our hair. So this, again, these long-range models aren't as fine-tuned, aren't as detailed, so it's hard to pick up on these little nuances, but everything combined tells you there's a pretty good chance for some strong storms in those areas. Next 7 days of QPF, how much rain, how much moisture are we going to see? Quite a bit from Kentucky to Tennessee, and then the higher levels where there's snow in the upper elevations, seeing quite a bit of the potential right there in Idaho, and then over towards Portland and Vancouver. Snow potential, yeah, we might see some snow. Let's let this fill in here a little bit. There you go. The Rocky Mountains, obviously upper elevations, and then this is all spreads to the east. So some areas may see some snow finally as we head towards the end of February. And then as we get into looking at the details of this, it's not a lot. I mean, it's a chance for snow, but half an inch, inch and a half in Denver, 7.3 in International Falls. Some of these spots are going to see a little bit more in the upper elevations, but overall, it's not a whole lot of snow. It's just been too warm. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you can. That would be absolutely fantastic, so you know when I post updates like this. We'll be watching that severe weather threat as we get towards past the weekend and into early next week, and then we'll have a really good handle on it. So keep an eye on that. We'll see you soon.